Imam Ali's golden words. An angel announces daily. Birth of more human beings means so many more will die. Collection of more wealth means of much more will be destroyed. Erection of more buildings means so many more ruins will come. This world is not a permanent place. It is a passage, a road on which you are passing. There are two kinds of people here. One is the kind of those who have sold their souls for eternal damnation. The other is of those who have purchased their souls and freed them from damnation. A friend cannot be considered a friend unless he is tested on 3 occasions: in time of need, behind your back, and after your death. Anyone who has been granted for attributes will not be deprived of their for effects. One who prays to Allah and implores to Him will not be deprived of granting of his prayers. One who repents for his thoughts and deeds will not be refused acceptance of the repentance. One who has atoned for his sins will not be debarred from salvation. And one who thanks Allah for the blessings and bounties will not be denied the increase in them.